Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as you strengthen, stretch, and smile. Today we're doing a super quick 7-minute flexibility workout. I have a TheraBand in my hands, but feel free to use a towel or a t-shirt. Now we're going to focus on stretching your hips, your shoulders. If you haven't already, please subscribe and feel free to comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Have a great time stretching it out today, and I hope you enjoy the views of beautiful Central Park. Thank you so much for being here and enjoy.
Wow, have a seat. Reach one arm up, bend it, and let's go ahead and draw that hand back. Draw the shoulder away from the ear. Then you can drop the other arm down and just let that hang. Switching sides. Just bend the arm. You can reach it back. And just let that arm drop down. Try not to arch your spine or round it. Just have the spine straight and the abs in. Now, let's add on. Grab a strap, reach behind you, and then bring the hands as close as you can. And just keep inching them together. Drop the shoulders down and abs are in tight. Deep breath in and deep breath out. And now switching sides, bend the other arm. And on this side I can actually touch, but feel free to stay with your band. Sit up tall and draw the down shoulder back and the up elbow high. Another deep breath in. And from here, the band, let it go. You'll sit around your toes. You can also use a towel, guys. Keep the knees bent, and I want you to sit up tall. So there's a little bend in the knees. And pull the toes back so we really get into the calves. Sit up taller and taller. And just keep flexing the toes. Deep breath in, stack the spine. Now from here, round, lift. So we're gonna make it a little bit more mobile. Keep flexing all 10 of those toes. Now, stay seated. Reach the hands behind you, interlace the fingers, and lift the chest. Draw the abs in, and you'll really keep those elbows straight and push your hands into the floor as you open your heart. Try to look up and spread through the shoulders. Now, make sure the thumb that you had on top, you change, and try it with the other thumb on top. From here, extend one leg fully and bend the opposite knee out laterally and reach the hands to the toes or to the shins or to the floor and start to lift the chest up. Try not to wear the shoulders like earrings and feel free to hold anywhere along the leg that feels right for you. Try to keep flexing your toes and try to keep dropping that knee down. And feel free to take one hand to the knee just to deepen it. Deep breaths. Let's change it up. Knee out to the side, hand to the foot or to the floor, shoulders off the ears, and heart lifted. Deep breath in and just keep squaring off the hips. And then split the hands so that the same hand is on that outside knee, opening the hip up wide. Finally, bring one knee forward onto the floor and rather 1 foot forward, and just hold the hands by the side of the foot. Take a deep breath in and try to lift the chest as you sink the hips down. Heel is down, front foot is fully down. See if you can press the opposite hand down and reach that same arm up. From here, extend and bend the leg a few times. Slide the hips back and forward as you round and lift the chest. Keep that front foot really pressing down to the floor. Now let's change legs. First, just start with that front foot forward, heel down, toes pointed, shoulders off the ears, hips get deep. Take a few deep breaths. And then finally plant the opposite hand down. Same arm up for a twist. Then circle that arm around and stretch and bend that front leg. Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed the workout and the views. I have 3 more Central Park workouts. I'll link them above and below. Make sure you subscribe. Let's strengthen, stretch, and smile, and get fit, toned, and flexible in the process. Have a great day or night, whatever the time it is by you. See you next time.